Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your money, career, and financial reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Gemini, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. This reading specifically here, Gemini, is going to be focusing on your money, career, and financial for throughout the month of September 2021. For those of you who are looking for love reading, you may check out the description box below, as well as click the link above, where there is a separate reading for your love situation for the month of September here, Gemini. So let's start with your reading here. So let me show you the cards first. I've got the Knight of Wands coming up for you here, Gemini. I've got the Ten of Pentacles, I've got the Knight of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. With the overall energy I've got coming up for you here is the Harvest, and I've got the Five of Swords energy coming up here. So let me start with the overall energy that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, on your money, career, and financial related situation. I'm getting a very strong feeling defeated energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. I feel like you have been having this very strong feeling of getting defeated in overall energy, I would say here, when it comes into your career, when it comes into your finances, when it comes into your money related situation, because you may feel that as if you are moving way too slow, or you may feel that no matter how much effort or how much work that you've been putting within your work, within your business, I would say here, like you may just find like there is no way out, and you're just like still feeling stuck with this huge energy or feeling defeated here. You may even like starting to lose confidence within yourself here. Like you may feel within yourself here, okay, this is it, like there is no way that you will get out of this, like financial situation, some kind of like a debt situation, I would say here. So this is giving you a very strong feeling defeated and almost like losing your confidence energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. And it's also quite interesting because I've got the Knight energy coming up for you here. I've got the Knight of Wands, I've got the Knight of Pentacles, and I've got the Knight of Swords energy coming up here. So let me start with this Knight of Swords energy and the Knight of Wands energy for you here. Now the Knight of Wands energy that I've got coming up for you here is almost that, and along with this Knight of Swords energy coming up for you here, Gemini, is like you tend to be making a rushing decision, I would say here. You tend to be making like a quick decision in a way that this decision that I've been making here coming up in the form of like a very rushing energy here, especially when it comes into expenses. So with this Knight of Wands energy coming up here, you tend to be going based on your instinct rather than what you truly and really need, I would say here, Gemini. So with this Knight of Wands energy here, I feel like you need to be paying attention to your expenses and overall here on your money flow and on your financial flow here. I feel like when you start paying attention to that, you may find that there are so many expenses the last couple of months, I would say here, that you could actually either reduce or completely cut it out. But for some reason here, with this Knight of Wands energy and the Knight of Swords energy coming up here, you may be taking a very rushing decision in that moment, a very quick decision in that moment, and you completely have forgotten about this. So I feel like you need to be paying attention to that here as well, because most of the time here, the expenses that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, is something that I won't say that you don't need it. It's more like you tend to be like, okay, I like this, and and then suddenly you just like buying things without actually giving like some more time is what I'm getting coming up here. So try to pay attention to that here as well. And then coming to this Knight of Pentacles energy coming up here, I do see money energy coming up into your life here, because overall energy that I've got coming up for you here is the harvest. So the month of September here, Gemini, for you is definitely the harvest season in your money, career, as well as in your financial related situation. The only concern that I've got coming up here is that with this Knight of Pentacles energy, this is a little bit of slow moving energy or gradual process moving energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini. So it's like just as the money comes in, it quickly goes out is what I'm getting coming up for you here. So even though that I'm getting a very strong harvest season, a very strong abundance and blessings will be coming up to you in the month of September 2021. Here Gemini, at the same time here you also need to be paying attention about the money flow and how the financial flow in your life. So make sure that you are paying attention on how much that you're spending, how much you're saving and how much you're investing is what I'm getting coming up here. For those of you who are doing some sort of like a business here, paying attention to some kind of like a transport or some kind of like a quick equipment, I would say here, or like the transportation cost that you can actually reduce, or you could actually like minimize it, or even like completely cut out any unnecessary costs is what I'm getting coming up for you here as well, Gemini. Now another thing that I've got coming up for you here, I've got the High Priest, and then I've also got the Ten of Pentacles energy coming in here as well. This is a wonderful energy because with this Ten of Pentacles energy that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, this is basically talking about financial abundance and financial stability, richness in all level. So just like I said before here with this harvest season and the Ten of Pentacles energy coming up here, the month of September here is your harvest season where you're finally going to be getting that completion and richness in all level is what I'm getting coming up for you here. The harvest season and the richness is coming up for you here in the month of September 2021. When it comes into your family expenses or just like in general here, like family energy, what I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, you will always have enough money for emergency or for any sudden things here. So with this Ten of Pentacles energy that I've got coming up for you here, overall energy, the month of September is where you're going to be finding up some more money energy coming up into your life. But like I said before, paying attention to your expenses and paying attention to anything that you can actually cut or you can actually like minimize it. Now coming back to this High Priest energy coming up here, I'm getting a very strong either professional course or some kind of like a study energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here. So for those of you who have been thinking about either going on investing or like trying to like balancing up your finances, you might be thinking of taking up some courses or just like learning online about how to manage your finances. This is definitely like a green light for you here to just go ahead. And some of you here, Gemini, have been thinking about starting up a new business, or even like for those of you who have already starting up a new business here, you may feel stuck or you may feel like you're not sure like where to go and how to go about it. Learn. I keep getting this learning energy coming up for you here. This also includes for those of you who are looking for job promotion or just career advancement in general here. There might be some courses or some kind of like a study module that can help you pushing forward with the promotion energy here, Gemini. Now closing up the reading, let's start with the advice card for you here, Gemini, for the month of September 2021. I've got the action energy coming up here and receive, just confirming the whole reading right away here, Gemini, with this receive energy that I've got coming up here. Be open to receive goodness, believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. So like I said before, the harvest season is here, richness in all level, abundance, money, everything is just coming towards you here. You need to be able to open up yourself to receive all of these blessings to come towards you. And then I've also got this action energy coming up here. Now is the perfect time to act, take inspire action towards your dream, move forward with confidence. So whether you are pushing forward into getting a job promotion, new job, or like some sort of like a business energy here, with this action energy, this is like definitely a green light for you here, to just like go ahead and just like start taking up the action, like start taking up the first step here. The rest will just flow towards you here, Gemini, is what I'm getting. So that's it for your money, career and financial related energy for the month of September 2021. I hope this reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.